Affiliate marketing is a home business that pays. Although people sometimes have trouble setting up affiliate programs, the process is not that difficult. Advances in referral technology on the web will help you set up an affiliate marketing program, without a lot of expense or problems. These suggestions will help you wade through all of the hassle of becoming an affiliate marketer. If you are reviewing a product that you have not purchased, make sure that you always include examples of how it works. You always want to give screenshots of the product, other reviews from users, with permission, and other vital information about the product. As an affiliate, you should be really informed about any product you promote. Look for affiliate programs that offer high commission rates. Some programs offer 100% or higher commission on the products they sell through you. Don't dismiss items like this as scams. These programs end up making more money through the follow-up sales, so it's worth it to them to pay out high commissions in order to gain a new customer for the long term. Base your review and promotion of the product on your personal experience. If you have not tried the product yourself, ask someone who has to help you write a review. Look for comments and discussions about the product online. If you see a lot of negative impressions about the products, perhaps you should not promote it at all. Website design today is based mainly on affiliate marketing when you are thinking about using it to make money. Affiliate links offer you a way to bring in constant income, while bringing more and more targeted traffic to your site. The more high-quality affiliates you have on your site, the more money you will make. A great affiliate marketing tip is to not customize your links too much. Links should be kept simple because you want your customers to be able to tell where a link is. If you remove the underline or change the color of links, visitors might not even notice them. In affiliate marketing, just as in other things in life, there is no substitute for hands-on experience. Therefore, I recommend strongly that you try the product yourself. If you cannot, not everyone is in a position to touch a Leica M9 or a Ferrari, then research the item. Read reviews. Even better, ask end users, preferably those who have actually bought the product, about their experience. User forums are extremely helpful. By using the tips offered in this video, you will be able to create a successful affiliate marketing program and keep your costs down. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.